Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Windows 10 is coming across an error message when you're trying to delete other apps on your computer and it's unable to. So it should hopefully be a fairly straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up File Explorer. You can also search for it in the Start menu if you choose, and then select this PC on the left side. You want to go double click on the directory where the apps are installed, and then you want to go right click in a blank area, select new, and then select folder. Name this folder apps folder, exactly how it appears on my screen. So again, apps folder, hit enter to say the name of it, and now I want you to drag the Windows app folder into the apps folder that we just created. So drag Windows apps into the apps folder. And if you see a folder in here, it says WP system. So let me just create one just for example here. So WP system. You want to go ahead and right click on the WP system folder in here, select rename, and then add a .old to the end. So .old period old. Hit enter to save that. Now if you close out of here and you open up the Start menu and you go into settings, and then you go into the system tile, and then you select storage on the left side here. You'd have the ability to go ahead and select other storage locations. This is for a change where new content is saved. If you click on that, you'll be able to save it to different drive letters at this point. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.